Have you ever thought about what your house is really made of? Beyond the paint and plaster, beneath the surface lies a hidden story, one that can either harm or heal the planet. Today we take you inside the world of sustainable home materials, where your next renovation project could help build a better future. Why choose eco-friendly building materials? The answer is simple and powerful. Sustainable choices don't just shrink your carbon footprint. They cut down on waste, improve your indoor air quality, and, yes, save you money on energy bills. It's not just about green living, it's about smart living. Let's start with what you can't see: insulation. Traditional materials like fiberglass are energy-intensive and chemical-laden. Now picture this: sheep's wool keeping your home warm in winter, cool in summer, and breathing naturally. Or recycled denim, yes, your old jeans, transformed into powerful, non-toxic insulation. And don't forget hemp, the tough, breathable plant that resists pests and keeps moisture at bay. It's insulation with attitude and a conscience. On the outside, let's talk siding. Reclaimed wood tells stories of barns and factories past. Fiber cement offers decades of durability. And recycled metal? It reflects heat like a charm and outlasts almost anything. Prefer something bold and natural? Bamboo siding is strong, fast-growing, and gracefully biodegradable. It's nature's armor without the environmental cost. Bricks may be ancient, but they're getting a modern makeover. Recycled bricks from demolished buildings add charm and reduce waste. Adobe bricks made from soil and straw stay cool and cozy without a kiln in sight. And fly ash bricks turn coal waste into construction gold, cutting emissions and keeping landfills a little less full. Inside your home, the choices are just as exciting. Reclaimed wood flooring brings depth and history underfoot. Cork, harvested without harming trees, offers a resilient, cushioned surface that's naturally insulating. Recycled glass tiles sparkle with character in kitchens and bathrooms. And for a fresh coat of color, choose low VOC paints for beauty without the breathing hazards. Renovating with sustainable materials isn't just a trend. It's a revolution in how we build, live, and care for our homes and the planet. From rooftop to floorboard, every choice matters. And with so many smart, stylish, and sustainable options, the future of home improvement is looking greener than ever. Build smarter, live cleaner. Choose sustainability, one material at a time.